Mini Boys, yeah!
When we last saw Surfin, he was floating through a black hole and running late for Fossil Rock.
Sorry, it's always the way.
How are you holding up?
Oh, I'm in a pretty dark place, but emotionally I'm good. Thanks for asking.
I'm fine too, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry, I should have...
Back at the Fossil Records Music Festival, the gang take to the stage and are stalling for time.
If Surfin doesn't make it, we might have to cancel.
I can only do this drum solo for so long.
Wherever Surfin is, I hope he's enjoying his birthday.
What a way to spend a birthday. Well, at least the gang already gave me my present. This cool skateboard. Well, that's convenient.
Quite.
Cool!
You made it!
What are the chances?
All right, gang.
Let's rock!
And so the Mini Bites gang played to applause and roars.